Didn't know what time it was, the lights were low. Oh, oh. I leaned back on my radio. Oh, oh. Some cat was laying down some rock and roll, that is all he said. Then the loud sound, it seemed to fade. Came back like a slow voice on a wave of fade. That was no DJ, that was hazy cosmic jive. There's a starman waiting in the sky. He'd like to come and meet us, but he thinks he'd blow our minds. There's a starman waiting in the sky. He's told us not to blow it, 'cause he knows it's all worthwhile. He told me, let the children use it, let the children use it, let all the children do get. Switch on the TV, we may pick him up on channel 2. Look out your window, I can see his light. If we can sparkle, he may land tonight. Don't tell your papa, or he'll get us locked up and fight. There's a starman waiting in the sky. He'd like to come and meet us, but
Hello friends, family, ladies and gentlemen, to the most joyous of autumn evenings. It is my honor and privilege to stand here tonight with these two as we unite them in everlasting matrimony, here in the presence of everyone. Some of you may be wondering what makes me so special to be standing here to unite them. Well, firstly, I want to let you all know that the bar to become an officiant in Illinois is really low and $50 away from any one of you. So just letting you know. And secondly, I've done this before, and that one couple is still married, so I have a 100% success rate. I have also known Matthew and Janine as a couple for a long time, and I have known Janine much, much longer, single digits of age longer. And many times before, I was regaled with the tales and stories of Janine going to far, far away lands with panoramic vistas, lakes of twinkling sapphire, and night skies alight with an ocean of starlight in this fantastical place called Canada. There she was to meet with the love of her life, and this was always very fantastical, yet very true for the both of them. Matthew even came down numerous times to the verdant trees and rolling suburbia of the greater Chicagoland area. Almost every time in winter, and I blamed him personally as an envoy of the snow and the cold.
You're welcome.
So, we love to see you, but I'm glad it's not winter this time. But to those in the know, this meant that distance nor weather or anything was a problem for their love. And watching them maintain this love over the years, through the epidemic of COVID-19, through time zones, over mountains, over literally country borders. And this was a testament to their love.
Janine, we've come a long ways over the past 10 years, enduring and bonding over Skype calls and game lobbies and whatever online metric we could bridge the distance between us with. I look forward to finally shedding the long distance aspect of our relationship. I don't think anyone can question our patience at this point. You've been my best friend since the beginning. Someone who shares or puts up with my interests and my hobbies. You've been there and supported me through some of the roughest parts of my life. Some of my most cherished memories have been our mutual adventures to and fro Canada and the United States. I'm so happy to have met someone who shares my goals as much as you. I love you so much and can't wait to start the next part of our lives together, even if you're probably in it to steal my cat Oscar.
Matthew, 10 years ago, if someone were to ask me if I would have found a person as amazing as you are, I would have laughed and said no. I was broken and lost when we met. But you found me, and you helped me heal and grow into the person that I wanted to be. You were the most kind, compassionate, intelligent, patient, and supportive person I know. You've always been my biggest hype man. When I decided to change careers, and even when I'm not feeling confident, you are always the first person I go to for everything. If I'm having a bad day, if I'm having the best day, any good or bad news, I'm messaging you. It's taken 10 years to get to this point, and I wouldn't change a thing. You are my person, and I'm so happy that I will be your wife. I promise to love you for the rest of our lives, and even then some. Even if you're addicted to Warhammer.
With this ring,
I do declare
I do declare
my eternal love, respect, and protection for you.
my eternal love, respect, and protection for you.
Through ups and downs.
Through ups and downs.
Through sickness and good health.
Through sickness and good health.
Through calm winds and high tides.
Through calm winds and high tides.
Through the brightest of days.
Through the brightest of days.
And darkest of nights.
And darkest of nights.
Janine.
Janine.
No, not sorry. Say, with this ring,
With this ring,
I do declare
I declare
my eternal love, respect, and protection for you.
my eternal love, respect,
And protection for you.
for you.
Through ups and downs.
Through ups and downs.
Through sickness and good health.
Through sickness and good health.
Through calm winds and high tides.
Through calm winds and high tides.
Through the brightest of days.
Through the brightest of days.
And the darkest of nights.
and the darkest of nights.
By the powers in me vested by the state of Illinois, to finally be recognized by the U.S. government, and in the presence of everyone here, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Matthew and Janine, you may now kiss.
I see trees of green.
All those days watching from the windows, all those years outside looking in, all that time never even knowing just how blind I've been. Now I'm here blinking in the starlight. Now I'm here, suddenly I see. Standing here, it's all so clear. I'm where I'm meant to be. And at last I see the light. And it's like the fog has lifted. And at last I see the light. And it's like the sky is blue. And it's warm and real and bright, and the world has somehow shifted. All at once, everything looks different.
living in a blur. All that time, never truly seeing things the way they were. Now she's here, shining in the starlight. Now she's here, suddenly I know. If she's here, it's crystal clear. I'm where I'm meant to go.